Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Grok's Modular Mutants mod into STALKER 2. To do it, go to this page, which is in the description down below. Then go to the description and you can read it to know that the mod is for managing the HP pool of mutants, as you can see here. You can also read the description here, and you can learn that there is a balanced for all preset, so you can go with the default option or you can modify it yourself so it is adjusted to you. Let's go to the Files tab and then click on Manual Download. Then if you're not signed into Nexus Mods website, then you can click on Sign In here, but I'm already signed in, so I can just click on Slow Download. After 5 seconds it downloads. Let's click on the folder to open the Downloads folder, and now you need to unzip the folder. To do that, click on the right mouse button, then click on Extract All, Extract, and it opens here. Then open the Grok's Modular Mutants Health, and here you can see different folders. This is the balanced for all, so if you want to go with the default option of the mod, you can open balanced for all, then select all of them, and we are gonna move it into the mods folder in a moment. But if you want to personalize it, you can go into any of these folders and select just one of the mods. So for Poltergeist, click on it and select one of those, then move it into mods folder, which I'm gonna show you in a moment. Then you can go to Pseudo Duck, Pseudo Giant, Snork, and more, and for each one of these mutants select just one mod. To move them into the mods folder, go to your Steam library and click on the STALKER 2. Then click on Properties, Installed Files, Browse. Now STALKER 2, Content, Packs, and here you may find tilde mods folder. That's the name of the folder, tilde mods. And if you don't have it, click on the right mouse button on some free space, then click on New Folder and name it tilde mods. Enter. Then open the folder. And now we're gonna move the .pak files into the mods folder. To do it, just open the downloads window. I'm gonna move them so I can easily drag. Then go into the extracted folder, go into the Grok's Modular Mutants Health, and now I'm gonna go into Balance for All and select all of these besides the Poltergeist. And now we're gonna move it into the mods folder. And for Poltergeist, I'm gonna show you how to personalize it. Just go into the Poltergeist folder, then select the one you like. I'm gonna select 80% and move it here. Now my mods are installed and I can go into the game, open it to play with this modified setup. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.